Hi guys, welcome back to RRC, part 5 of the Mercedes Across tipper truck. In this video I'm going to be building the gearbox, putting that together and then getting it into the truck. Flat surface and try and keep it straight, and then push down till it clicks and it should slot in, but these small ones are a pain, guys, so as you know, they will go on. Some grease on the selector shaft. And the excess stuff there, guys, you can either leave it on or just smear it in the next section where it needs some grease. And just make a note of the orientation of the selector. You can see that from the drawing. So guys, this bit here, I don't know if you can see it, but it is so fiddly because you've got the spring underneath it. So you just raise that washer up so it's sort of flush with the edge of the groove, and then get your little long nose pliers and just see you can just click that on. It is a pain. But you can just, that's it. Careful you don't mark the shaft on the end though. So if you use the washer as sort of a bed for laying the E-clip or C-clip, whatever you'd like to call it, to keep it level, then it'll make it a little bit easier to get on. Okay guys, that's this selector shaft complete. You see there, so we just move on with the rest of it now. And this is the gearbox support frame. This is a 36 tooth that goes onto this little 13 tooth, the aluminium one, like so. Then we have a 20 tooth, which is this one. Which just slides onto there. That's gear shaft done. To mention, guys, I've already glued the bearings into the gearing or the gear. To me, I don't recommend that you change this particular section and this section. You don't recommend you change these two ball race bearings. I don't know why. I have done it in the grand hauler. So what I've decided to do on this one, with it potentially carrying more load, I thought, well, I will just stick with the brass bearings on this particular build and see how we go, because I haven't noticed a massive difference in the grand hauler. So we're going to go ahead with that. This is J5 there, guy, little plastic, and you'll find that on the gear selection tree, like so, and that bit. So this is J6, guys, goes on this end. And it should look something like that when it's all together. So just double check everything before you actually put it into the gearbox, because it was a pain. In the manual, guys, it will say put the grease on before you put it to the gearbox. If you do that, it's really messy, so I don't. I get inside this frame here and then grease it up So just make sure it's all free and moving around, and that's that section done. I've got some grease on these cogs now, and then we're ready to go inside the plastic housing. Now there is it does come with a little nylon spacer to go on the end there, but if you get the upgrade pack you should get a little bearing with it. However, I didn't, so I'm going to use the brass one that was supplied with the kit. So that's the one I'm going to be putting on the end there, guys. Just preference really. So with it being a brass bearing, get a bit of grease in there. That goes onto the end of the output shaft. Just give it a smear in there. Should fit in there nicely snug. Hey guys, I'll get this greased up and then we'll get the housing on. Okay guys, I think that's enough grease in there. I may just put a bit more in, but as I said at the beginning of the video, you do need more ceramic grease than Tamiya supplying the kit if you want to get the durability out of the gearboxes and stuff and smooth running. So I would advise on that, just so you know there's plenty in there. If you're going to test this, make sure you have the cover on, because if you don't you will get splattered with grease. Trust me, I know. So just watch out for that, and everything should be fine. Okay guys, this is the motor you get with the with this tipper truck. It's a tuned motor, 35 tooth, so it should be an improvement on the previous motors. There is a brushed motor, not brushless, but yeah, the other ones are okay, but hopefully this one will be a big improvement. Turn that manually. just to that seems alright. About there. And just make sure that that grub screw isn't catching any of the teeth on the way round. Seems fine. Snip it up. It's messy though with all the grease. One channel, final check guys, make sure it's all moving. In case you're wondering guys, this is not how it came, the casing for the gearbox. It was black. I've just sprayed it with some plastic coat, obviously silver in colour, so I think it just makes it look a little bit better. But you can buy these pre-painted, but you know, it's extra cost, so I've just sprayed that one. Works well. So we'll get this all screwed up guys and I'll get it back on. Okay, that's the gearbox all built, casing on it, stickers as per the Tamiya manual on the gearbox, just to give it some scale. So the next thing is to get this in the frame. So yeah, let's get on with it. Okay guys, that was a bit tense moment with the forklift loader and the gearbox and motor in. Okay guys, that's it, the all screwed in into the chassis. I just want to give these linkages a test, make sure these are moving before I go any further, so bear with me guys. The gear shift guys, seems working fine, that's good. Okay guys, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.